Born in Bauchi State, northern Nigeria, she attended her primary education in Benue State and then moved onwards, still on a quest for knowledge, to Abuja, where she did part of her secondary education. She came home in 2003 to the soil that knew her footsteps more, to the sand that would adorn her feet, to the solid ground that would firmly form her balance, and completed her secondary education in 2006. In 2012, Enugu State University of Science and Technology became her alma mater. She studied mass communication, after which she moved to the University of Nigeria in Nsukka for her master's degree in mass communication still. As a broadcaster, she worked with Enugu State Broadcasting Service as a radio and TV presenter. In 2015, she founded an NGO for the promotion of indigenous language and cultural heritage, AJA, Cultural Development Initiative, and started from school tours, creating awareness about the need to sustain our language, to an annual culture festival known as AJA, Cultural Festival. In 2016, Amarachi left the civil service job to journey into the unique art of performance poetry and also became a strong voice in Igbo language advocacy. She also started a creative business brand, the brand known as One Diorama Concept. One Diorama Concept is a home of arts. It envelopes Amarachi's innovation of Igbo poetry performances and showcasing, entertainment, event and media activities. Amarachi made it to the selection of festival managers for festival management training by British Council from 2017 to 2018. She was also trained by the European Festival Association for the Atelier for Festival Managers at Johannesburg, South Africa. Again, through her advocacy for language, she attended the West African Language Conference to present her very first academic paper representing the voice for Igbo language. She has spoken on many platforms in relation to her work in language advocacy. Some of such platforms are TEDx, British Council Creative Hustle, countless schools, and many more. Amarachi has received awards for her tireless works in Igbo language, as well as awards for her active cultural promotion and service to humanity. She is the current vice chairperson of Association of Nigerian Authors in Enugu State. Amarachi believes in awakening the consciousness of parents and children on the need to speak their indigenous language and the need to resurrect our dead good values and cultures. She is also raising other young language advocates through her works.